Black smoke billows, staining the afternoon sky as flames consume a small bungalow. The air crackles with heat and the acrid scent of burning wood, a suffocating blanket over the street. Neighbours stand frozen, their faces etched with horror as they watch the inferno. A wave of heat distorts the air, twisting the scene into a macabre tableau of destruction. Sirens wail as fire trucks converge on a bungalow engulfed in flames, casting long dancing shadows. Firefighters race against time, their determined faces illuminated by the inferno's glow. Veteran firefighter Reyes, a silhouette against the blaze, steadies himself, adjusting his helmet. The air crackles with heat as Reyes prepares to brave the heart of the inferno. Flames leap and devour, a testament to the destructive power he is about to confront. Firefighter Reyes crashes through the front door, the wood splintering under his forceful kick. Flames devour the bungalow's ceiling, casting an orange glow on the surrounding chaos. The air crackles with the sound of destruction, visibility plummeting to near zero. Reyes drops to his belly, a silhouette against the inferno, beginning his desperate crawl. He disappears into the smoke-filled abyss, his mission fraught with danger and uncertainty. Amidst the inferno, Reyes' oxygen tank emits a rhythmic hiss, a stark counterpoint to the crackling flames. Smoke and debris swirl around him as he presses on, a lone figure against the raging fire. With gloved hand, he sweeps the floor, a desperate search for any sign of life amidst devastation. Each sweep is a silent plea against the backdrop of the roaring flames, a beacon of hope. The roar of the fire fills the burning bungalow, shadows dancing wildly as the inferno consumes everything in its path. A faint whimper pierces the chaos, barely audible above the crackling flames. Reyes freezes, his body tensing as he hones in on the sound, his senses heightened by the imminent danger. His heart pounds in his chest as he follows the desperate cry, venturing deeper into the burning structure. Amidst the inferno, Reyes' hand brushes against something soft, a flicker of life in the devastation. He finds a tiny, trembling ball of fur, a fragile creature amidst the destructive chaos. A small puppy, no bigger than his boot, lies unconscious, a victim of the blaze. The puppy is surrounded by the burning debris, a symbol of innocence threatened by the flames. Hope and despair mix as Reyes cradles the small creature, a desperate fight for survival. Flames engulf the bungalow as Reyes acts swiftly, his face grim with determination amid the inferno. With a protective gesture, Reyes scoops up the vulnerable puppy, shielding it within his jacket. He navigates back through the burning debris, each movement precise and desperate against the blaze. Reyes scrambles towards the shattered doorway, a beacon of urgency in the face of overwhelming destruction. Reyes explodes from the inferno, gasping as he stumbles, the bungalow blazing behind him. Fresh air fills Reyes' lungs as he flees the inferno, scanning desperately for safety. He clutches the puppy close, shielding it from the intense heat and swirling smoke. The burning structure casts long, dancing shadows as Reyes seeks refuge. Reyes' eyes dart around, searching for a safe haven for the tiny creature in his arms. On a quiet suburban street, Reyes gently places the still puppy on the grass, his touch tender and careful. He kneels beside the tiny creature, his face a canvas of worry and determination. The puppy's small, lifeless form contrasts starkly with the vibrant green of the lawn. A silent plea etches itself onto Reyes' face as he recognizes the urgency of the moment. Every second counts as Reyes steels himself to act, his resolve hardening against the backdrop of the peaceful street. On a quiet suburban street, Reyes acts without hesitation, his face a mask of intense concentration. His large hands, surprisingly gentle, begin chest compressions on the small creature. Reyes presses down, counting silently, a silent plea for life in his determined eyes. Each compression is a surge of hope against the stillness, a battle fought with quiet resolve. On a quiet suburban street, a colleague offers Reyes an oxygen mask, a stark symbol of urgency. Reyes gently cups the tiny puppy, its life hanging in the balance. He carefully positions the mask over the puppy's snout, a silent plea for breath. The air crackles with tension as Reyes fights to save the fragile life. Every breath is a victory. Hope mixes with uncertainty as everyone watches, their hearts echoing the puppy's struggle. On a quiet suburban street, the air is still. A tiny, wet cough breaks the silence, a fragile sound of life. The puppy's eyes flutter open, revealing a spark of hope. A weak bark escapes its lips, a testament to its will to live. Reyes feels a surge of relief, the tension breaking. On a quiet suburban street, Reyes gently cradles a shivering puppy. He wraps the small creature in a soft blanket, its tiny body seeking warmth. Reyes strokes its fur with a soothing motion, offering comfort. The puppy nestles into Reyes, finding solace in his gentle touch. On a tranquil suburban street, the echoes of sirens gradually fade as the intense fire is brought under control. Amid the receding chaos, Reyes remains, his focus absolute. His gaze is fixed, his attention unwavering on the tiny, vulnerable puppy. The world around him fades as he centers on the small creature. A profound sense of responsibility etched across his face. The puppy, oblivious to the earlier danger, snuggles against Reyes. A suburban street, chaos in the air. A young girl runs forward, tears streaming down her face. Hope flickers as she spots a familiar face, a small puppy amidst the aftermath. Recognition dawns. It's her puppy, lost in the blaze. Reyes, with gentle hands, carefully lifts the puppy. Tender exchange as Reyes hands the puppy to the tearful girl. Relief washes over her as she cradles the puppy, a reunion amidst the devastation. Bathed in the warm glow of sunset, a girl cradles a puppy, her face alight with pure, unadulterated joy. Reyes watches the heartwarming scene unfold, a subtle smile gracing his lips, hinting at quiet satisfaction. He reflects on his actions, understanding the profound impact of saving a life and reuniting a family. The suburban street is painted with the vibrant colours of the setting sun, symbolising hope and new beginnings.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to give this video a like and to subscribe to the channel so you will be notified when new videos are published. And be sure to check out our other videos.